Shame on you, Dossier. Shame on you, because you're going to have people spending all kind of money for this one right here. Okay? Oh my goodness, honey. Listen, I will wash your dishes if I don't have no money so I can get this one. Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. I have some more perfumes from Dossier, y'all. Oh yes, oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, so I have more perfume that I want to share with you guys. I am Dossier is doing it, y'all. Dossier is really putting these fragrances out here. It's some new ones, and I'm excited. I'm excited for Dossier. I'm excited for us. I am just excited. So to get right into this perfume haul, let's just go ahead on and just give you my first one. My first one that I really wanted to get. I really wanted to get this one because Phlur, baby, Phlur costs a lot of money, okay? So this first one is Musky Sandalwood, is inspired by Phlur's Missing Person. Now I have a little small little vial like this from Sephora, y'all, and that's too small. You know how you get the little small ones, you like, I do not want to use all this up, okay? But how can you not? It's this small. So I got my hands on the Dossier inspired Phlur's Missing Person. So it said Musky Sandalwood. So Musky Sandalwood. First off, y'all look at the packaging. I cannot get over this new packaging. This new packaging is amazing. And Dossier, they're doing some things to make room for the new packaging, y'all. So, you know, get on board with it. It's a gorgeous package. Of course, we always love, and this is another color. This is because of the little collections and stuff like that. But Dossier boxes are usually like a tan color. Usually it's like this, but it is actually this size. Okay, so they are, you know, their new packaging. Get on board, y'all, with it because it's more affordable, save more space. Look, from this as big as this is to this is. Okay, get on board with it, and also they don't have the card in here. So still, you can go on their website and you can find the notes. So this first one is Musky Sandalwood, inspired by Phlur's Missing Person. And this is 1.7 full ounce, which is 50 ml bottles, y'all. Eau de Perfume, not Eau de Toilette or Eau de Cologne. Okay, so this first one says, crafted in France for you. I love the packaging. It's so chic and small, really nice and petite. I love it. I love the magnetic tops that comes along with Dossier. Look, you know, you don't have to worry about dropping that, okay? Because it's magnetic. And this is so beautiful. This smells. So I have notes right here, y'all. So on the side of the packaging, it does have like notes. It says, keep comfort close with warm, intimate musk that drift and linger like tender memories. Now, this one right here, Musky Sandalwood, is unisex, y'all. It's unisex, so that means, guess what? You can get your guy on board, okay? Get Bay on board. Get hubby on board. Get your son on board. Get your uncle on board. Get everybody on board, honey. It can be male or female. It's no prejudice at all for as the gender, y'all, okay? So this one has the notes of, I'm on my notes on Dossier because the box only have musk. And then I think this is also in another language. I don't know whether this is French or Spanish. I don't know. But, you know, they make it where as though a couple of people can be able to read it. English and another one. That's great. So the top note says, it says the first notes you smell is Lily of the Valley. It smells like kind of earthly to me, Lily of the Valley. I love a Lily of the Valley scent. Clean. Okay, then it has Neroli. Neroli, I kind of don't like Neroli a lot, but, you know, it depends on how it's mixed in. If it's blended in really good, baby, we're going to do that. So the middle notes, the heart of the perfume, which is jasmine, which is a solar notes. The base notes that linger all day is the musk, sandalwood, and oak moss. Yes, it does. I do smell oak moss in here. And the sandalwood is beautiful in this scent. It is so beautiful in this. If you love sandalwood or you love a nice, clean, fresh, almost a little teeny bit. I think this is like a gourmand. Is it like a gourmand? But it smells like it could be, is it a gourmand? It smells like it could be like, a gourmand mixed with a Phlur a little bit to me. I don't see like there's a gourmand. They probably have it on here. I'm probably just not seeing right now. This right here sells for, if you're a guest, it's 32. If you're a member, it's 28.80. Okay, so be a member, y'all, so you can be able to get this. So let's go ahead and spray it. Oh, you see that? It sprays really nice. This is beautiful. This is so clean and so refreshing. It smells like a I would say a skin scent a little bit, but it holds it on. When it dries down, now I have to use this. When it dries down, baby, it dries down really nice and powdery, like um powdery, but you still have a little musk. Now, don't get it twisted now. The oak moss that's in it and the musk is not like a heavy hitter, like a boom eel, like a man eel. It, when it dries down, it smells like it can be unisex. I see why they say unisex. And I'm going to tell you, you will definitely get some hours with this, okay? I got 5 hours. It lingered for 6. So you will get some hours with this one. So this one right here is Musky Sandalwood. And Musky Sandalwood is definitely good. I love Phlur's Missing Person, y'all. I I love Phlur's Missing Person, okay? And this one right here is rich. It gives you rich vibes. Let me put my glasses on, y'all. It gives you like those rich vibes. Okay, y'all, let's get into the second one. The second one is Golden Rum and Amber. Now, this one is the Dossier's Originals, the Speak Easy collection. And she comes like this. With a card, y'all. You know, I'm really going to miss the cards because I do love the cards. You know, I really do love the cards. But I'm on board with the packaging. Chic. Just so beautiful, y'all. Dossier's Original Unique Blends. Happy sniffing. Happy sniffing, guys. Okay, so I am at all when it comes down to Golden Rum and Amber, because if you have been seeing me do my videos on Dossier, you would know that I am a gourmand fan. I love vanilla. I love caramel. I love chocolate. I love tonka bean. I love it all when it comes down to a gourmand. You know, y'all, I even love some gourmands I didn't even know that I like. You know what I'm saying? That's fruity. But anyway, we'll get to that. I don't want to give that away right now. So this one right here is, like I said, is from the Speak Easy collection. It says, crafted with celebration on the mind. The Speak Easy collection captures all the bubbly, warm, or even smoky sensations that come with every sip or in this case, spritz. Y'all, this is definitely a gourmand. It smells a little bit like fireplace, like Mason Margiela mixed in there. You know what I'm saying? I mean, replica mixed in there, y'all. It smells like that to me, mixed with another perfume. What it is, I do not know, but it smells amazing. And I'm gonna tell you, honey, you want him to be in your neck, he gonna be in your neck, baby, because this thing right here, okay, she is beautiful, she is warm, and she is sweet, okay? So the notes, let's go ahead and get into her. The sensation that inspired us, the warmth of rum with its sweet, almost ambery facet. We wrapped a natural rum extraction with mellow vanilla and candied fruits, encapsulating the warm and bubbly feeling of sipping on a tasty rum and coke. Okay. May I not add nothing else, okay? So the notes, y'all, the top notes is bitter almond, plum, Katie wood. The middle notes is rum, clove, cedarwood. The base notes is ambroxan, vanilla, tolu balm, candied fruits. Now, y'all, I don't know what some of these things are in here, but I do know that this smells really good, okay? Like the what is that? Tulu balm. I don't know what that is. I'm pretty sure if I look it up, I can find out what that is. But I know I love almond. It says bitter almond though. So I love almond. I love vanilla. You already know I'm a vanilla girl. So let's go ahead and get into this right here. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm telling you, she smells beautiful. She smells exotic, sweet, and cozy, warm. Oh my goodness. This smells like it has some replica fireplace in it, y'all. mixed with another perfume. I'm telling you, it's, baby, this. Oh my goodness, she's sweet. You can smell. You know how you make sweet potatoes and you have the and it done got glazed up. This what this like. It smells like that, but then you have the smokiness with the fireplace type of smell, and it does smell like a Coca-Cola with mixed up with it. I'm telling you, y'all, I can have some some ways to describe and stuff, but trust me, this one, this is nice. This is nice. I'm the type of person where so I will wear it winter, spring, summer, fall. It don't have to be a certain season for me. If I like, I'm going to wear. And this I like a lot. Y'all, I really this smells so good. This smells good. And I'm gonna oh it's like a baby, like can I smell you? Can I just get a smell of you? Can you come here? Come over here. Let me smell you. Then when you leave, it's gonna stay there. It's like it's gonna linger. Yeah, I smell Coca-Cola, y'all. I smell the Coca-Cola for real. But a warm Coca-Cola. Not one of them cold ones, a warm one, okay? Like it was heated with some vanilla. You know what I'm saying, y'all? Anyway, all right, let's go ahead and get into the next one, y'all. This is going to stay on you all day. All day. This is going to stay on you. I intentionally saved this third one for last. This right here, all I'm going to say is this right here. I'm going to wear this one today. And when I let Bay smell this, he immediately tried to get it. And I was like, no, because this time around I chose all unisex ones. And the last one that I had, the golden rum and amber is also unisex. So I may share it with him. Okay, I may give him two, and I take this one because I listen. I will take this one over the other two because they're unisex, and I want to share with him. I would take them all really, but I'm going to share. So this one right here, y'all. All I know is that when I smelled it, I'm like, shame on you, Dossier. Shame on you because you're going to have people spending all kind of money for this one right here. Okay? Oh my goodness, honey. Listen, I will wash your dishes if I don't have no money so I can get this one. I will sweep your floor. Okay? Just to get this. This one right here is Yellow Days. I don't know how many banana people we have out here, baby, but I am a banana girl. And when I'm talking about bananas, I'm not talking about no crazy banana. I'm talking about a nice, sweet, elegant banana. So this one is Dossier's Originals, the Color Factory Collection. So they have the notes of banana, ginger, grapefruit, rum. The middle notes is ylang, jasmine, milky notes, white woods. The base notes is vanilla, santal. I love santal. At first I didn't like santal until I got another perfume with santal, and I was like, oh, we can do this. It depends on what it's mixed with, y'all. And it's incense. Now, don't be like incense. No, don't do that because, baby, it's not that type of incense that's going to mess you up. It's going to give you a headache or going to be like, ooh, you know, it's not that type of incense. This right here, look at this. Yellow Days. I love the packaging. I love the bottle. I love it. I love it. Now, if you can see, I have been wearing it, y'all. I have been wearing it. I just got it and I have been wearing it. Okay. I have been wearing it. I think I got this like around the 6th or 7th or something like that of June. And we're like in the 12th or something like that. Baby, I have to wear it at least a week. That way I will let you guys know what's going on with it. Okay. So I wore it, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is sophisticated. This right here, sophisticated, grown and sexy banana. How can a banana be grown and sexy, Jay? Because it's mixed with ginger. You can smell that ginger in it. That ginger smells so beautiful. The ginger. I don't know if I had got the grapefruit. I don't. It's probably in here. I'm just being covered with the other notes that's in here. Oh my goodness. That sandalwood and that vanilla. By me being a vanilla girl and I love sandalwood, I can immediately pick up something that has vanilla in it. I can easily pick up something that has sandalwood or ginger. I love ginger, y'all. And a banana. I love a banana. Okay. So I have another perfume with banana in it. And I'm telling you, I did not know at first. I love cherry fragrances. Like Dossier has another one that has cherries in it. Baby, that thing is down here. Okay. And I need to order another one. So I love the vanilla. I love the sandalwood. I smell jasmine. Jasmine smells really good in here, but it's not like a harsh jasmine. Jasmine is always good anyway if it's mixed with vanilla. Okay. It's good. So it says the heart of the perfume is ylang, jasmine, and the milky notes, which that you do smell all that. Y'all, listen, I don't know how to explain this to you guys. All I know is that this right here is, oh my goodness, that banana hit you right in your face. It smells like ooh, you ever had you ever had the banana remember the nail ladies from back in the day and that banana one? Oh my goodness. This is what this is giving. This is giving that. I don't want to keep spraying in my body. Yo, I got to spray this on me. Yeah, this, like I told you guys, I can't spray on this side. I told you guys I'm wearing this today in my hair, everything. Oh my goodness. This lasts all day long. I don't have to question this. It's an all day long. Oh my goodness, y'all. I smell amazing. I haven't sprayed it yet. I'm a heavy sprayer, y'all. I haven't really sprayed it yet. When I'm done and I take the microphone off, I am going to spray my perfume. Bang is not getting this. This is all three were gourmand, y'all, and all three were unisex. And I'm telling you, Dossier is doing a thing with these perfumes. You can get them for a fraction of the price. You do not have to worry about your skin. People don't want to spray on their skin. I didn't like spraying on my skin, but baby, if it's not going to break me out because it's all natural products, I'm going to spray. The thing with Dossier, if I buy this, okay, Jay, I'm taking your word for it, but I may try the golden rum and amber, and I may try the yellow days, but I may not like the banana, or I may not like the golden rum. Oh, the golden rum and amber. Okay, Dossier says, okay, you're not satisfied. Send it back to me, and they don't have no problem, with taking care of you, making sure that you are straight, that you are satisfied. Dossier really care about you guys, so you don't have to spend a lot of money. That's one thing I love about it. I smell amazing for the fraction of the price. This will have him in your neck. People be telling you, let me sniff you, let me smell you. Girl, what you got on? And I've been getting that. What do you have on? They been asking me, what you layering? 3 perfumes? Yes, Dossier perfume. I've been layering them, baby. Okay, I've been layering them. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Dossier, thank you so much for these products. And y'all, these are my true thoughts, my true feelings on Dossier. This is not scripted. I'm not being paid for this. This is not a sponsored video. This is me giving you my true, authentic word. And my word is bond, y'all. Believe that. Okay? Because if something stink, I'm going to tell you, don't do that. All right, y'all. Be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.